friend of the show, Catherine Emery, a home improvement and lifestyle expert. We want to know what's on your list this year, Catherine, of course. How you doing today?
Roxanne, a little bit of something, everything for them, for decorating, for organizing, of course, for yourself. One for them, one for me, right?
Guilty. Let's start with something to relax in at home. That's something for yourself category. Let's start there.
Of course. Okay, a really good, comfortable set of PJs does the trick, right, Roxanne? And these are from Ikaru. So this is on Amazon right now. This is a top-rated PJ, top seller, and there is a great reason why, because they are high-quality, comfortable pajamas, basically. So you see the satin silk version here. It is smooth. It's skin-friendly. It's for a great night's sleep. You know how, Roxanne, sometimes you put on PJs and they're just not the right temperature once you get in bed? These give you that perfect night's sleep all night through. I also love the fleece knit style. It's soft and warm. It's like a home fashion statement for me because you could wear it all over the house. I might even be guilty of wearing it out, maybe to the grocery store, because they really are so comfy, cozy. They got little pockets. They've just got, as you can see there, fun prints and styles for sleeping or lounging. Those pants are like a loose fit. Just like I said, highly rated on Amazon. The jury is in, and these are a win. So go check them out, Ikaru, and you're going to get some great deals right now for the holidays.
Those are so adorable. Okay, something I just dealt with yesterday. Christmas lights, holiday lights, they are just like a jumbly cluster. We want to think about safety and how to keep your lights safe and from going out this season. Also want to think about how to organize those cords.
All right, girl, this is something you don't want to think about until it happens, right? So let's start number one with decorating. You spend all that time putting up all those beautiful lights outside, and then the lights go out and you don't know why. You're like, Clark Griswold in the Lampoon's movie, right? He's in there. What it is water's getting in your cord connections. So this is Twist and Seal Cord Protect. You'll see we've got some great footage of it here, but quite simply put is it's going to connect those extension cord and light protections from any moisture, any water, anything getting in, so that it's going to keep the lights on all season long. Those lights are not going to get tripped. You'll see this product in a home improvement store, right, with all the decorations. You kind of think like, what is this thing? Just grab it. It's an extra couple bucks, but really what it is, it's made in the USA. It's high quality. It's built to last. It's going to last you many, many seasons. So it's Twist and Seal Cord Protect. All right, now that is taken care of. We don't want to think about it, Roxanne, but when you walk in to get those extension cords out, you're usually like WWE wrestling with them, right? So This is called the Cord Dock. This is brand new here, brand new this year. So what it is it's an extension cord organizer, or right there, as you can see, I turned it into a Christmas light organizer. So it's just a simple item. It's a great stocking stuffer for even the pro or the DIYer in your life. You wrap those cords around. It's a quick release when you need the cord. It stays attached to the cord so you don't lose it. It is such a smart new design by Twist and Seal called the Cord Dock. So you want to grab that when you're at the home improvement retailer as well. And wrap up those Christmas lights too, so you don't fight them the next year.
Okay, just about 30 seconds left. I know we want to find out about easy, quick fixes around the house and cozy gifts as well.
Absolutely. All right, you're fixing all those things. This is the first flexible glue here. It's called DAP Rapid Fuse Flex Gel. Why it's great is because it's flexible, so it won't crack. So it's going to bond all those fabric, wood, metal, rubber, glass, ceramic, no drip. Just think about it. Those wreaths, those Christmas ornaments. And then to close it out, Roxanne, we also want to stay comfortable at home. I just wanted to let you guys know really quickly about BedSure Gentle Soft 2-in-1 Comforter Set. This is brand new. It's easy to wash because it's all season use. It has a patented snap technology. So instead of a comforter bunching, it actually snaps. It's combined the best sellers there. There's deals as well. Go BedSure 2-in-1 on Amazon. Search it up and check it out. It is so soft. I have this bedding all over my house. You will not be disappointed. Trust me.
Oh, that looks lovely. Thank you so much, Catherine. And we see the information on the screen where to go. Great idea.
Happy holidays, girl.
You too.